Once turned over and operational, the newly delivered Tank Gunnery Simulation System of the Philippine Army, PA, would greatly enhance the capabilities of units tasked to operate the service's incoming light tanks. The Tank Gunnery Simulation System is part of the first list on the Horizon 2 of the RAFPMP, Revised Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program. The project is yet to be completed in the first quarter this year. Once delivered to the Army, an inspection will be conducted for its acceptance, Philippine Army spokesperson Colonel Xerxes Trinidad said in a message to reporters Tuesday night. The 36 million Philippine pesos simulator, which was delivered early this month, was acquired from Wolfberry Asia, PT Indocertes Joint Venture to provide training to PA light tank crews in using their 105mm main guns. The Philippine Army, especially its Armor Division, is expected to undertake the delivery of 20 Elbit Systems Land Sabra ASCOD light tanks, tracked, by this year. The Tank Gunnery Simulator would enhance the skills and capabilities of our Army personnel in the performance of their given tasks, unit missions, Trinidad said. He added that the system would be accepted into service once inspected and approved by the Technical Inspection and Acceptance Committee, TIAC. The TIAC needs to convene and have the schedule. This is to check that what has been specified in the order must be delivered accordingly, he added. Trinidad said the TIAC is the part where the Philippine Army makes its final technical inspection and decision to accept the newly delivered equipment or platforms. Production activities for the first of two new generation submarines, as part of the U-212 NFS, Near Future Submarine, acquisition program of the Italian Navy, started January 11 at the Muggiano, La Spezia, shipyard, Fincantieri has announced. The program, which also envisages relevant in-service support, an option for 2 additional units, as well as the creation of a training center, is led by OCCAR, Organisation Conjointe Cooperation en Matière d'Armement, the International Organization for Joint Armament Cooperation, in line with the most innovative management procedures, through life management and risk management. The project is an evolution of the U-212A program carried out in cooperation with the German ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems, which resulted in the production of 4 submarines for Italy: Todaro, Sire, Venuti and Rami, delivered by Fincantieri between 2006 and 2017, and 6 for Germany. According to highly reliable analyses, the technological content of these air-independent propulsion submarines determined the shift in the balance between nuclear and conventional vessels in the post-war period. The new submarines will have significant design modifications which will all be developed independently by Fincantieri. The U-212 NFS program, which envisages the first 2 deliveries in 2027 and 2029, responds to the need to secure adequate underwater spatial surveillance and control capacity, considering the future complex scenarios of underwater operations, and that the operational lifetime of the 4 Soro-class submarines, currently in service, is drawing near. The submarines carry out many different tasks for the benefit of the community on a daily basis, preserving national interests and collective defense within the framework of the most important alliances in which the Italy participates, NATO and the European Union. They range from purely military missions to operations pertaining to freedom of navigation, anti-piracy, keeping the energy supply routes safe, due to the presence of seabed resources or underwater infrastructure, observance of international law, defending external borders, and safeguarding maritime infrastructure, including essential offshore and underwater infrastructure, not least preserving marine ecosystems.